The idea of this video is how to find out which user is currently logged in to a computer remotely through the domain. This is the particular device that I will be working on, and it is specifically called Client 11. Furthermore, the current user who is logged in at this moment is known as user 2. Whoa. And I need to know which user is logged into it remotely through the domain. I'll go to Server Manager, add other servers, and search for them now. All the devices in Active Directory will appear for me. I will proceed to carefully select the specific client device and then promptly add it. Following that, I will navigate to the comprehensive All Servers section, and there I will find the computer that has been successfully added. I will then right-click on its entry and choose the Windows PowerShell option. I will see to it that I am properly connected to the client device. And I'll proceed to type this particular command, query space user, and it will clearly tell me that the specific user who is currently logged in is indeed called user 2. The current status of this user is active, and they precisely logged in at this exact date and time, providing a complete record. I'll close PowerShell and go back to select the computer, right-click, and choose Remove to take it out of Server Manager.